How's it going, everyone? Today I want to do a short and fun little S3 video here. I want to try out launch control. So I have used launch control twice in this car so far, and both times I've used it, it absolutely blew me away. I mean, the launch control in this car is absolutely fantastic. So today what we're going to do is pretty much use it again. I'll show you guys how it works, the steps you need to take in order to properly engage it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. You might also notice that the front corner of the car is still damaged. I do have a date to drop off the car to get repaired. That is, I think it's April 11th, and they said it could take up to 3 to 4 weeks to get repaired. So it's probably going to be like early May at the best that the car is actually back to how it was before, which is really disappointing, but I guess it is what it is. So without further ado though, let's go ahead and get into it. So first thing we need to do here is put the car into dynamic mode. I already have it in dynamic mode, and dynamic mode is pretty much your sport mode. So what you can do here, there's a few different ways you can change that. There's this star button on the wheel right here, which I have programmed to do. You can have it programmed to do a few different things. I have it programmed to change the drive modes, but you can also go over here to drive select, and you can see we have a few different modes here. So you want to make sure you're in dynamic. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to put the car in the drive. You'll see there's drive/S. When you go into dynamic mode, it automatically puts the car into S or sport for the transmission, which pretty much means you'll see if I accelerate slowly here, it really likes to hold the gears. And then after a while, it's like, okay, I see you want to shift. You're actually not accelerating that fast. And you can see it also downshifts for you. I don't really ever drive in sport mode transmission wise, just because if I want to shift myself, I'll just put in manual mode and use the paddles. But you want to do that next. And really the last thing you need to do is make sure your traction control is fully off. So the button for that is right here. If you just press it, you'll see it says off, but it'll tell you that it is in sport, not fully off. And I made this mistake the first time I tried launch control. What you need to do is actually press and hold for a few seconds. And you can see now it's actually off. So now we're good to go. So I'm going to go find a little flat road. I'm going to set up the GoPros real quick, and then we can get going. So 0 to 60 on this car from factory is quoted at 4.7 seconds. I've seen a lot of review videos like Car Wow, things like that, that do 0 to 60 tests in their reviews. They've clocked it in like the low 4-second range. So unfortunately, I don't have a V-Box or even an app on my phone that I would really trust enough to give me an accurate number. But it definitely feels like 4.7, if not even quicker. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now because I know you guys just want to see this, and let's get to it. One last thing I also want to mention that's important for this is that the car is up to temperature. Thankfully, because there are people out there who would be, you know, not smart enough to understand that a car needs to be fully warmed up before you can do this. So the S3 will know if you're not up to temperature, and it's not going to let you do this launch control unless you're up to temperature. So I've driven the car about 10 miles in the last 30 minutes. I just ran up to the store to get a couple things. So it's 100% up to temperature. It has been for quite a while. So left foot is going to be on the brake. Right foot is going to floor the throttle. It should rev up to about 3,500 or 4,000 RPM. And then we can just let off the brake and it's gonna send us. So here we go. Was past 60. It chirps the tires too. That's crazy. Wow. That is a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna try it one more time just because I want to. It's a lot of fun. This is not something I'm going to be doing normally in this car, but why not have a little bit of fun every now and then, you know? So once again, we're gonna be right foot, or left foot, excuse me, the whole way down on the brake. Floor it. Revs up to 4,000. Woo! And it hits 60 at the end of second gear there, if you can't see the tach for some reason. So, wow. Oh my gosh, this car is quick. freaking love this thing. All right, construction zone. We should slow down here, but it really does just throw you back in your seat. I remember the first time I did it, it was so aggressive. I felt it in my face a little bit. I wasn't completely ready for it. It definitely gets you back in your seat. Hopefully you guys could kind of tell that on camera, but this is definitely an experience, and wow, that was a whole lot of fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this shorter video just showing how launch control works. Let me know what other kind of videos you want to see on the S3. I have plenty I want to make, but I'm kind of like debating how much I want to make while the car looks like this. Again, if you don't know, I got hit by a trailer. I'll link the video in the top corner up here about what happened. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate your continued support, and I'll see you all next time.